Welcome to the 2020 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, wood trim finish as well, Bose Performance Series audio, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, paddle shifters on the backside for your auto entertainment system. You do have 227,843 kilometers on the odometer, push-button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, parking sensors and auto stop start, heated and ventilated seating as well, your automatic shifter knob, you have your navigation and audio controls, traction control and mode selection for your all-wheel drive system. The vehicle has a black dash as well as the wood trim finish and our chocolate leather heated and ventilated seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Cadillac XT5, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Michelin all-season tires. Vehicle's equipped with the ambient lighting package, on the door handles with the LED strip, as well as keyless entry, color-matched mirror caps, chrome window trim, and Cadillac emblem on the front fender. Coming to the front, we do have the LED daytime running lamps and turn signals, the chrome premium luxury grille with the camera system and parking sensors, LED lighting all up front. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows as well. We have LED brake lights, rear parking sensors, dual chrome exhaust tips. We have our LED red tail lamps, height adjustable trunk leash with a backup camera as well. Jumping into the interior, second row, that beautiful chocolate brown leather. Both end seats are car seat ready and heated. 60-40 split allows you to fold the seats nice and quick, giving us access to the trunk. All black, carpeted back there, cargo net and LED lighting. Over top, we have the black headliner with a massive dual panel sunroof, as well as LED lighting, and 3-stage heated seat controls in the back of the center console, and rubberized floor liners in the back of the XT5. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2020 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.